What's up guys, it's been a while and glad to have you back. All right, so right now in this video I'll be talking about one of the best meme coin trading strategy that I just found out and I've been using recently to actually make money by trading meme coins. All right, and I would like you to watch this video to the end so that I can get the full basic details on how to do this. And if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, I talk about different ways I make money online by trying out different things, and I actually make videos about them so that at the end of the day, if you actually find it helpful and if you want to dive into it, you can actually try it out. Okay, but nevertheless, you're also advised to make more research before you actually dive into any online update. Okay, now without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right away. So one thing that makes trading meme coin profitable is actually when you buy early and also when you buy fast. Okay, and also one thing about making money trading is that you need to actually have a calculated strategy. You don't need to just dive into the market and buy any token you see just like that. Okay, and that's why in this video I'll be breaking it down for you step by step. Okay, and I'll be using the BIT exchange to actually trade the meme coin here in this video. All right, and the main reason I love using the BIT exchange to trade meme coins is because it's actually very easy to buy and sell meme coins right here on the BIT exchange. All you need to do is to sign up. I'll be dropping the link in the description section below and the comment section below. Verify your account and actually fund it with the amount you want to use to start trading meme coin. Okay, so right here I have about 30 USDT which I'll be using to explain this strategy in this video, and that is because whenever it comes to meme coins, you don't really need a lot of capital to actually start. Okay, and in the BIT exchange, all you need is your USDT right here. Okay, so once you sign up and you verify your account and you deposit, you're going to come right here to the Go Rich button here. You click right here on the Go Rich. So right here on my Go Rich, there's about 75 cents to transfer funds from my funding account to this place. I'll click on the transfer button right here. And right here, I'm going to put in the amount I want to transfer from my funding account to my Go Rich. Okay, so let's say we're sending about 20 USDT right here. Click on the confirm button, and if I come back here, I'm just going to refresh this, and here we have it here. Okay, and also in the BIT exchange, you can buy any meme coin on the Solana blockchain, on the Binance Smart Chain, and also on the Base network. Okay, and you can also check out the trending meme coins right here. All right, but in the strategy that I'll be talking about, you're going to need the Dexscreener for this. Okay, so let's head over to Dexscreener right now. So this is the Dexscreener. Just go to your browser and search dexscreener.com. Okay, this is one of the best tools you can use to analyze and actually find a very good meme coin at its early stage. Okay, so when we come here, we want to scroll this way. We'll come here. I want to scroll to the filter option right here. All right, so in the customized filter, you can actually select which particular meme coin you want to purchase. So I'm going to leave this on all platforms because we're not looking to buy a specific network meme coin. All right, then the next thing you want to do is to filter your liquidity right here. We want to filter it down to $10,000. Okay, now this is because we'll be able to spot early gems with this filter, and I also like to filter my market cap to, let me put it, $100,000. All right, so these are the two important filter options I actually use right here. Then I'll click on the apply button here. Okay, after that, the next thing I love to look at is to check out for boosted tokens. So I'm going to click on boosted right here, and these are tokens that have been funded by the developer. That is, the developer or team have actually put in some funds right here to actually make it more visible on the Dexscreener. Okay, so after filtering, you can see the results we have right here. All right, and you can see these ones in golden color are the ones that are currently trending right now. And the first one right here, which is Wolfly, which was actually created about 7 hours ago with over 67,000 transactions, and it has about $2.6 million trading volume right now, which basically means about $2.6 million is currently in circulation in this particular token Wolfly. All right, and here we have the liquidity at 141,000 and the market cap at $1.9 million. Okay, so this is a very good token to actually dive in, especially with the market cap at this price. Okay, so I'm going to click on the Wolfly here. So once you open it this way, there are other things you want to check out. You want to check out and make sure that the liquidity is locked this way. Any meme coin you're buying, make sure the liquidity is locked. And another thing, if you scroll down, you can actually check out the audit. You want to make sure that it is not freezable by the developer also. Okay, so once you check that out, you can also make more research by checking it out on Twitter and on Telegram. Okay, so I'm sure a lot of big influencers would have been dropping calls for this particular token right now. All right, now to be able to buy this particular meme coin right now, all you need to do is to copy the contract address, and this is the contract address right here. So we copy it this way, and then we'll head over to our BIT exchange. Okay, so on the BIT exchange now, and we're in the Go Rich. Once you actually copy the contract address and you open your BT exchange, it will automatically bring out the token this way. Okay, but sometimes you can actually come here, you click on the trade option and you click on the drop down, and then you paste the contract address right here for any particular blockchain meme coin you want to purchase, and it will load up this way. Okay, so once it loads up this way, you can actually purchase this by putting in the amount you want to use to purchase it right here. All right, and one thing I love about the BT exchange is that you don't need to actually buy Solana to be able to purchase any token, because if you look right here, this token is listed on the Solana blockchain. On a normal basis, if you are to purchase this token, you have to go through the Phantom wallet and you need to actually buy some Solana, which will actually procure some fees if you are to do that. Okay, but right here on BT exchange, you can easily do that with your USDT. Okay, so let's buy this. So let's say I'm going to be buying this with 10 USDT. I'm just going to input the amount here, and then right here we can see the amount of roughly we'll be getting for 10 USDT. Okay, so I'll click on the buy button, and this is it. Here we go. We've successfully bought this token. And right here, if I click on the sell option, if I just refresh this page, you can see it right here. All right, so right now I just bought this token, and if I scroll down here, I can basically see my cumulative profit or loss right here. Okay, so this is currently in a loss, but not to worry, I'm just going to give this a while to actually gain a little more before selling. All right, because whenever you're trading meme coins, you don't need to actually stay in the trade for too long, or you don't need to actually hold that token for too long. You're looking to make at least 10 to 20% profit buying and selling meme coins. Okay, you don't hold them for too long. All right, you just make your profit, don't get too greedy and sell off. All right, so guys, that's a very simple meme coin trading strategy that you can actually use to purchase a meme coin, make profit and actually sell off. Okay, and if you actually find this very helpful, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on next updates. Have a nice day. Bye.